Alright guys, so I've already primed my lids. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be using the LA Colors matte shadow palette, and I will be using this color right here. Okay, and I'm gonna be applying it on my crease. Alright guys, so starting off here at the crease, moving in and out and doing circular motions. Okay, so estamos aplicando el color de la paleta LA Colors. Okay, me lo estoy aplicando en mi cuenca. Okay, so we're gonna build on this color and we're gonna blend. And we're gonna do the same thing with our other eye. Okay, vamos a hacer la misma cosa con mi otro ojo. Okay, lo mismo en este ojo. Okay, empezando aquí, haciendo circulitos y moving back and forth. Okay, and again we're gonna build on this color. Okay, alright guys, moving on with my shadow, I'm gonna be using this Macaria Siempre Viva palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Irma, okay, which is this color right here. Okay, I'm gonna be using this color on my lid. Okay, so voy a usar el color Irma de la paleta Macaria Siempre Viva y me lo voy a aplicar en mi párpado. Okay, applying Irma on my lid, just like so. Okay, so I'm just pressing that in. Okay, just like so. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Vamos a hacer la misma cosa con este ojo. Okay, nomás presionando. Okay, just tapping that in. Okay, grabbing more product and applying to my lid. Continuando con nuestra sombra, voy a estar utilizando esta paleta que es una paleta de iluminadores. I'm going to be using this palette, which this palette is a highlighter palette, but I'm going to be using the color Beam on my tear duct. Okay, this is the color that I'm going to be using. Okay, so voy a estar utilizando esa paleta y voy a usar el color Beam. Okay, y me lo voy a aplicar aquí. Okay, y voy a hacer la misma cosa. I'm going to do the same thing with this eye. Okay, okay, and I'm also going to be applying that same color, which is Beam, on my brow bone. Okay, también lo vamos a aplicar aquí debajo de mi ceja. Okay, okay, y vamos a hacer lo mismo con el otro. Applying the color Beam on my brow bone. Moving on with my eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one right here from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna be doing a wing line. I'm also gonna be using this one from L'Oreal. Okay, I'm gonna be lining my eyes with this one. Alright, so I'm gonna start lining my eyes. Okay. Just like so, and I'm gonna fill that in, okay? And I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye, okay? Voy a hacer lo mismo con mi otro ojo. Okay, moving on with my lashes, I'm gonna be using these by J-Lash in the number 46, okay? Me voy a aplicar mis pestañas de J-Lash in the número 46. Moving on with my foundation, I'm gonna be using these two foundations. This one's from L'Oreal in the number 490 and this one's from Maybelline in the number 130, okay? Voy a estar utilizando estas dos bases, estas de L'Oreal y estas de Maybelline, okay? And I'm gonna be applying one pump of each. So mixing the two together and I'm gonna be applying it, okay? So applying my foundation all over. Okay, aplicando nuestra base. Okay, and I'm gonna move on with baking, okay? I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline in the number 01. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some under my eyes. Okay. My nose. The forehead. Okay, and a little bit on my chin here. Okay, and now I'm gonna move on with my bronzer, and I'm gonna be using this one from Revlon, okay? And I'm gonna be applying that to the hollows of my cheek. Okay, I'll be using this brush right here and applying it to the hollows of my cheek. Okay, just like so, to the temple and up to my forehead. Okay, doing circular motions. Okay, estoy aplicando mi bronceador. Okay, un poquito aquí en la frente, en mi sien y aquí. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my other side of my face, okay? I'm gonna be using this powder brush right here and I'm gonna be dusting off the excess powder off my face, okay? So just sweeping it away from here and here. My forehead, my chin. Okay, I'm gonna dust off the excess powder, okay? Moving on with my blush. Okay, I'm gonna be using this brush right here, and this one is from Covergirl in the number 590. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying my blush to the apples of my cheek, and I'm gonna be tapping that in, okay? And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side, okay? Grabbing more product and tapping that in to the apple of my cheek. I'm gonna finish off this look with my lips, okay? And I'm gonna go in with this brown lip liner, okay? This one's from Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna be using this brown liner and I'm gonna be lining my lips, okay? Voy a delinear mis labios, okay? Okay, now that I have lined my lips, I'm gonna be using this Mary Kay lipstick, and it's in the color Rich Truffle. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying that to my lips. Okay, me voy a estar aplicando este labial de Mary Kay y se llama Rich Truffle. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.